everybody, today I'm going to introduce you to this duck tour bus. It can drive on land and in water. Over here, there's like some stairs. When you pull them down, people can like walk up and go in, and there are some seats. And when they're done, the stair will like go back like this. And when it's finishing touring on the land, it will tour inside the lake. And bye! Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!